Hello everyone, this is the double bottom chart pattern. The double bottom chart pattern consists of two bottoms. As you can see in this example which I have drawn below, the double bottom consists of two bottoms. The price makes a new low, then slightly pushes upside but could not sustain, and then makes a new low of the same length, like this. This is the area where the price rallied upwards but couldn't sustain it and hence dropped and made the second bottom. This is called the neckline. The double bottom chart patterns resembles like the alphabet W. The prerequisite of this pattern is that it is formed in a strong downtrend and is bullish reversal pattern. The interpretation of double bottom is that when the price manages to close above this neckline and breaks it, it will rally towards the upside, and the target for the take profit would be the distance from the bottom towards the neckline. Simply we have to take the measurement tool from the toolbox. We have to measure it. Here in this example it's approximately 95%, 100%. So when the price manages to close above this neckline, we have to buy and our take profit would be 100%. This will be our take profit zone. Let's go to the chart and find double bottom chart pattern. This is the Bitcoin US dollar daily chart. As you can see in this area, we have two bottoms over here. One is this and another one is this. The price is in a clear downtrend. We got a nice bottom over here. This is our first bottom. This is our second bottom. As you can see, the price made the first bottom, rallied towards upside but couldn't sustain it over here, and then dropped, made a low of the same length. As you can see, these are almost same lengths, and then the price rallied upwards. The area from which the price dropped, this is our neckline. This is our neckline. Upon breaking this neckline, the price will rally towards the upside. As you can see, this is the double bottom. This is our neckline. We have marked the neckline. Now we are waiting for the breakout. Let's measure our take profit for this pattern. We'll take the price tool. We'll measure it. It's approximately 16.45%. The price broke the neckline and rallied towards the upside. As you can see over here, approximately it made 16% profit, and we have booked our take profit on this pattern. So this was how simple is the double bottom pattern. I hope you have completely understood and you have learned the double bottom chart pattern. After watching every single video, go to tradingview.com, open any chart pair, any forex chart pair, any stock pair which you want to analyze, and try to practice as much patterns as you can. So let's have a quick recap of the double bottom pattern. First of all, you need two bottoms. You need a neckline. The price should be in a downtrend, and the double bottom pattern is a bullish, strong bullish pattern. Whenever the neckline gets break, the price will rally towards the upside. So this was the mini recap. Let's move on to our next lecture.